Right, welcome to another session, guys. I'm at the bingo hall again today. I'm going to start on gold cash free spins. 40 quid in, 50p stake. Let's go. Hope you're all well. So yeah, 3 of them symbols, 1, 3 and 5. And there is a gamble on it as well. So yeah, let's start on this. There's your win values up there. Let's see how we do. Yeah, big old terminals these are. Should be enough for a gamble, I think. Yeah, just. Yeah, so you can get spins on this. Okay. Take 10 if we can get them. Come on, be nice. Yeah, okay. There you go. That did not take long. Well, let's see what 10 does. Oh yeah, okay, it's decent. They're 375 a line. Decent start. Right, any more for any more. Cannot grumble with that start though. Yeah, the big money's those purple ones. Okay. 50 quid we're up to. Right, final spin coming up. Well, I'll take that all day long. 51 quid straight off the bat. Very nice indeed. No, I'm happy with that. Collect. Cracking start. Literally just come in the door. Right, I'll give it 10 or so goes with you, and then I think I'll just move on to another game. Yeah, cracking start. Yeah, I'll go down to 85, then I'll move on. Oh, unless... Nah. Well, last couple. That'll do on that. Well, I'll bring you back on the next one. Right, let's try this Joker's wild, super wild free spins, whatever it's called. 50p go again. There's a bonus on this. Give it a little bash, see if we can land a bonus. No idea whether there's a gamble on this or not, it doesn't look like it. Oh, so the super wild expands. Yeah, I'll keep you there for a couple of spins. This is a new one to me, to be fair. Ain't doing a great deal at the moment. Well, I'll give it a bit of a chance and I'll bring you back if anything happens. See you in a sec. Well, listen, ain't doing a great deal. I've had one win, I think, cherries. There's some oranges. Not even had a tease. Oh, until... Nah, I'm going to play at least 15 and move on. Seems like it's quite a hard one to land. So yeah, back down at 60 quid. Come on, give us one more tease on these 10. Need a mega tease. Nah, it's not having it, is it, to be fair? I'll move on to something else. One for luck. Yeah, that can do one. I'll bring you back on the next one. Right, let's try a bit of party time. 50p play, there's your win values again up there. Yeah, balance right back down at 54 quid. See if we can get a feature on this. So it's like the communities, you need the free symbols to light up and then you get picks, or it can give you the party time straight off the bat, if it fancies. Well, I'll bring you back if it does anything. Just as I cut you off, it's giving me 2 picks there for 25 quid. So let's have a look at the gamble. Be nice to get it straight away. It's such a small pie. Come on, surely. Oh, only just, I tell you. Only just. Right, there we go.
Let's play party time.
Balloons? No. Okay, it's 20 quid at least. I did gamble 25 for it, so probably worth about 30. Any more for any more? Oh, what? Flat 20. Okay. I'll give it 10 and move on. Can't grumble, I suppose it landed pretty quick. Right, last couple. Two. Bastard. So it would have been 30 quid. Right, one for luck. Right, see you on the next game. Right, let's give this real link in another bash. I do like this game. So you need 6 coin values to land in view to trigger the spins. Turn up a bit. Yeah, 6 of them coin amounts, all the 5 scrolls as well. See if we can find spins on this. Like I said, there is a gamble on it as well. Yeah, I do like this game. I'll see out this 10 with you. Oh, you bastard, 5. I tell you what, it's easier said than done landing 6 coins. It really is. Yeah, balance back down at 50 quid, so ups and downs at the moment. Right, I'll bring you back if it does anything. Right, it's landed 6 naturally. Unbelievably. Alright, come on, fill them up. Okay, we got 2 at least. Okay, we're still going. Can't fill those gaps. Last chance. Okay, we got 2. All right, and all the cash values as well, so it ain't too bad. We'll take that. Balanced out at 44 quid. It's alright, don't mind it. Okay, 25, £32.50, that'll do. Very nice indeed. I'll give it 10 with you. Yeah, balance holding nice. Final spin. That'll do on that. I'll bring you back on the next one. Right, next game's going to be stacked fire sevens. See if we can land a bonus on this. Again, there's a gamble. Yeah, free bonus symbols in view triggers the spins. That's what we're after. Oh, look at them sevens. Right, I'll set off again and I'll bring you back. Right, first gamble. £7. Right, okay. Oh, you bastard. Is that a gamble? It might be enough. Yeah, just about. Wow. No in there.
Your dad's phoning it. I said, oh, hang on, I can hear it. And then get back up the stairs. And I said, oh, hang on, yeah, I'm phoning it.
Shut up. Huh.
Yeah, I'm coming in.
Some bird moaning about her phone. You don't need it, do you? Is that a gamble? Not quite. Right, I'll crack on, give it a few more chances and I'll bring you back. Right, 40 quid in still, obviously. Still going with this, struggling a bit. Back down to starting balance more or less. Mega T's, surely. Find it. Really? Oh, you tight bastard. One of the first T's I've had. Yeah, I'll play it for another gamble or two and I think I'll just move on. I'll bring you back if and when. Right, yeah, I'm going to move on. This ain't doing it. So I'm actually down a couple of quid now. I'll play at least last 5 with you and move on. Doesn't seem to want to know. Right, one for luck. Right, I'll bring you back on the next game. Right, I saw Cobb playing this the other day, so I'm going to give it a bash. Cops and Robbers, big money. It's a gamble. Oh, you can get the feature. Close. Yeah, let's try this a bit. It's like Fishing Frenzy, I think. It's balanced out at 31 quid. Another fiver. Okay. Bastard. Yeah, struggling now suddenly. Right, I'll bring you back. Mega T's landed. Okay. Take that. Oh, where were you? Okay, there's another couple of quid. 4 quid. Oh, copper moves there. And again. Oh, come on. Land? Oh, you bastard. 50 quid one there. Oh, where were you? Okay, we're up to ×2. Really? Hey, got away with it. Right, come on, start landing. Right, there he is. Land. Oh, mate. Nah, it's going to get me this time, I think. Yeah, figured. Not bad, though. Take it. That'll do. Right, one spin, and I'll move on. That'll do. I'll bring you back on the next game. Right, I've moved terminals. I've come over to Fishing Frenzy Megaways. So I'm going to try this on 50. Same concept as the normal Fishing Frenzy. 3 scatters in view. So yeah, let's see if we can land a bonus on this. There's your win values up there. I'll keep you there for a couple of spins to start with. Yeah, 3 scatters would be nice. I find this is actually harder to land than the standard Fishing Frenzy, believe it or not. Even though you've got many more reels. Yeah, we took 61 or whatever it was off the other machine. Those gold boxes basically gives you a pot chance, which rarely lands anyway. Yeah, I'll see at least 7 with you, and then cut back. 5er. Come on. Oh. Right, I'll crack on with this and I'll bring you back. mega tease just now. It missed still somehow with like 10,000 megaways. Unbelievable. It doesn't even really tease, it just goes bang and lands them all. I'll crack them with a bit. It's holding the balance all right. Bastard. See what I mean? It just like goes bang and lands them. Yeah, down at 50 quid in the bank. Oh, Mouthy's back. Moaning about some scissors now. Honestly. Go on. Bastard just fell off. That's what happens when you come to a bingo hall during the day, guys and girls. You get people moaning about lost phones and scissors. Come on, Fishing Frenzy. Couple of birds. Big 50p. Yeah, I've had a few teases, but obviously it hasn't landed yet. Right, back down at starting balance. I'm going to crack on for a bit. Don't know how long for. You will know first. Right, yeah, so this is taking the piss. Down at 25 quid in the bank. Slowly munching the balance, so I'm going to move on after this. 10, 7 even. Big 30p. Yeah, it doesn't want to land the scatters, sadly. Oh, mate, okay, wow. And then he spoke. Here we go, come on. 10 free spins. Come on, don't be a piss, take one. Come on, fisherman, where are you? It's a tenner. At least it's not a complete bust. Any more for any more? Final spin. Nah. Well, at least we saw a bonus, I guess. I'll give it a couple for luck, and I'm going to move on. One more. I'll bring you back on the next game. Right, so since I played the Fishing Frenzy Megaways, might as well give this a go on Megaways also. £31.75 in the bank. So yeah, same concept as normal. It's got them silly pointless gold bars as well. 3 of them in view. Triggers the feature. So yeah, again, there's your win values up there. 3 temples. Again, it's easier said than done. Yeah, balance has definitely suffered since moving to this blueprint, but it is what it is. I'll keep you here for these 5. Any chance for teas? Well, I'll set off again. Hopefully I'll bring you back when it does something. See you in a sec. Unless... Oh, just above. Right, see you in a sec. Decent rolling, to be fair. 15, 20. Take that. See, if there'd been an eye on reel 4 there, that would have been huge. So the win value jumps up quite significantly. Look at that, I've got 5 of them gold things then. Yeah, balance at 25 quid. Still no teas. Trying to moan it in. Right, let's crack on. I'll bring you back. Oh, you bastard. I might have had a tease actually, it might have been the second tease. Right, I'll bring you back. Well, I've had about half a dozen teases now. Obviously it still hasn't landed. Balance is right back down at 14 quid. £90. Yeah, these are hard work, these Megaways games, I've got to admit. I'll probably play this down to nothing. Hopefully not. Hopefully I'll land a feature beforehand, but chances are I'll have to reload. Lands, bastard. It don't even tease that much. That's the thing with this. Oh, look at that. Again, might as well keep you there for these couple of spins, I think. Yeah, like I say, these are quite hard work, these Megaways versions. Just not having it. Couple of blue, £4. All right. See, I played this once and I landed all 4 of the wild symbols in the middle. I think I was on 20p or something. I genuinely can't remember. It's a couple of years back. They paid about 86 quid. Go on. Oh, mate, honestly. Where was Jack there as well? Mega T's missed. Find it. Just above. Saw it poke out. Right, I'm going to play these few out and then I'll reload and probably continue for a bit. Yeah, I'll stick another 40 quid in and bring you back, guys. Well, I've stuck another 40 in, something for 80 total on the session. I'm going to give this a few more chances. I'll probably just move on. Cheers, taking the piss a little bit. Oh, look at that. Matey down there lands it straight away. Just comes on it. Unreal. Huh. Just shows you. Oh, where's the bird in the middle? Go on. It's not having it. Okay, wow. Middle for diddle. Really? Gold's 100. I suppose it's 480, I guess. Well, I'll set it off again. Hopefully I'll bring you back to a feature. Oh, I've got this again. 16 quid, alright. Same as bronze, more or less. Right back down at 7 quid I was, so that does help on that second reload. Still haven't found a feature yet. I think I will move on soon from it. It's got to be something. 9.90, alright. Tenner. Oh, nearly got it again. It's alright, little balance boosters. Don't mind that. Just need the 3 scatters now, please, machine. See what I mean? It just doesn't like teasing very much at all. Oh, I'll carry on a little bit. And bring you back. Okay, third time lucky. Alright, 21, I'll take that. Those pots ain't too bad, to be fair. Back up to 43. So we're going in the right direction at the moment. Come on, Horus. You must have a feature in you somewhere. Playing games. Right, I'll see you in a sec. Wow, alright, got it again. Bronze. 17 quid, alright. Fair play. Again, it's put us back to 42, so still no sign of a feature. It honestly hasn't teased. Oh, come on, bastard. I was going to say it hasn't teased in such a long time. Big pound. It's those pots that have saved it, really, the balance wise. Anyway, I'll crack on. Right, I've decided I'm going to play for one more tease and then move on. So hopefully I'll get it with you now. Yeah, it's taking the piss and I'm getting sick of playing it, to be honest with you, so it's gone up and down the balance. Yeah, one more tease, give it one more chance and I'm going to move on. There you go. There you go, that's all I had to say. Unbelievable, isn't it? Right, so 250 for the trigger. Bloody music's going to do me in the background if I don't talk over it. Right, here we go. Come on, let's see loads of scatters, please. Let's see them all. Re-triggers as well, ideally. Come on. There's one in, that's handy. Right. Right, good, that's finished. Right, come on. Let's just keep getting the scatters in. I'm in for 80 on the session. Come on, Ivor, what are you doing to me? Alright, there's one more in. Where's the bloody scatter there? That would have been massive. It really would have been. Probably money back if that had been a scatter. All them Megaways. Alright, some of them. How much is that? 12 quid, alright. Still time for more. You've still got 5 spins in you. Come on, Skaz. Yeah, alright, there's some kings. 720 at kings and another spin up to the bird. Okay, we'll take it. One more spin on the dogs. Right, get us to the eye, that'd be nice. Or dogs everywhere. Dog City. That in Dog City. £22.10. 2 spins left. Nah, he's gone, isn't he? And the dogs have gone along. Final spin. Nah, look at that. Wow. Okay, well at least it landed. Yeah, 20 quid plus the 250 trigger. Well, I'll give it 10 goes live with you. Then I'll bring you back to potentially the final game of the session. Not sure what I'm going to play yet. See what's about. Yeah, at least we saw a feature. So I'm at 80 quid in. Gonna have 40 in the balance. We'll go. No, thank you, Mark. I'm all right. Cheers, bud. Yeah, I'll bring you back to the final game. See you in a sec. Well, I'm going to finish up on the communities. £43 in the bank. This is the 200 quid version of Black Knight. See if we can land a bonus on this. Yeah, that Iron Force Megaways was an absolute bastard to land. Anyway, let's see how this goes. 50p stake, there's your win values. 80 quid in on the session, so come on, 2 picks. Oh, you tight bastard. Would have been up in one spin. Yeah, it'd be nice to get a bonus on this, to be fair. Don't often play the 200 quid version, so big 20p. Shout out to everyone watching, appreciate your support. Thank you to the moderators in chat as well. Christina, Nikki, Nathan and JD, really appreciate your help and your support. And everyone that subscribes, obviously. Anyway, I'll stop rambling, set it off again and hopefully bring you back to a bonus. Another set of lights, just the one. Down at 27. It's 4 quid of ladies. Wow. Calm down, love. Bloody hell. Like a witch's coven. She's only won £2.50. Still, she's happy, so that's all that counts. Come on, Black Knight, what are you doing? Clickety click. 76. There you go, you can listen to some numbers being called for a moment. I'll have to try and record myself playing bingo one day. That'd be a laugh. Down at 23 quid machine. Come on. Tight. Just the one. 2 and 3, 23. Yeah. Pointless bonus spins. Oh, sorry, 20p. Not so pointless. Ladies. There you go. 2 lines just being claimed. I'll cut back next light. See you in a sec. Oh, hold on. Unless. Nah, just the one. Right, I'll bring you back. Any chance? Get in. Get in. Down at 22 quid. Right, come on. 200 quid, please. I'm in for 80, so I need 58 quid somehow. Come on, night, night, night. Wow. Cracking bonus as well. Any danger? Wow. 3 quid. Absolute shocker. Not quite 200 machine, not quite 200. Right, I'll give it 1 or 2 for luck, and I'm going to go. I will go and play one more game. See if we can turn that £23.85 into 80 quid. Our final set of lights. Yeah, £3.
41.
Pointless bonus spins again. Right, one for luck. Right, I'll see you on the final game. Right, last game's going to be Lucky Lady's Charm. Why not? 50p a go. Absolute last game this one's going to be. So like I said, I'm in for £80. 23.85 in the bank. Need 3 of them pink balls in view to trigger the spins. It's a decent feature, this. I do like this game. Right, I'll cut back, hopefully, to the scatters. See you in a sec. Just caught that 2 in there. Doesn't look particularly promising. Down to the final tenner of the session. Looks potentially like it's going to be an £80 loss. But I'll tell you what, I've had fun playing them. And that's the main thing. If you're having fun, you can enjoy it. But yeah, you got to take the rough with the smooth, obviously. The losses and the wins. I had a couple of decent hits in there, to be fair, on some of the games. Started off great on that, whatever it was I played at the start. But a few games have taken the piss a bit. All right, last couple.
Can you imagine if she won £700?
Yeah, thank you very much for watching, guys. Really hope you've enjoyed it. £80 loss on the session. But yeah, it is what it is. Have a fantastic week, and I'll see you again on the next video. Thank you for watching. Take care. See you later. Bye for now.